Welcome back to this video. What if I told you that from your Microsoft Edge search engine, you can switch to DuckDuckGo search engine without any stress? So let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are bringing to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your Edge browser. Then have you open up your Edge browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right there, click on these three dots, and this is going to drop down. Then simply scroll down right there and make sure you click on settings. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to privacy, search and services. The next thing you need to do is to go to search and connected experience. Then scroll down right here and make sure you look for address bar and search. Click on that. They take you right here. Search engine used in the bar address. So being recommended by default, you can simply click on here and switch to DuckDuckGo. So it's that simple. So now next thing we want to do is to come to the top right there, create a new tab. Now, when we type in the address bar right here, it will automatically redirect us back to DuckDuckGo search engine. So let's find out. So right here, I'm going to simply type in photo free. Then I'll hit enter. Just like what you see right here from the address bar right here, we have DuckDuckGo.com. So this simply means that you are browsing and you are using search engine from DuckDuckGo. So just like so, then you can scroll down right here and check it down below right here. So this is just a simple way to switch from your Bing search engine or your Microsoft Edge search engine into a DuckDuckGo search engine without any stress. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.